In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can untag yourself on Instagram. Okay, so if someone tagged you in a photo or a video, I'm going to show you how to untag yourself. So this photo right here that you can see is from my other account, which I tagged this account that I'm on right now on. So to get to your tagged photos to see who tagged you in what type of photos, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll be on your profile page, just scroll down and then you want to tap over here on this little picture right there with the little man inside. That'll show you all the posts that you're currently tagged in. Just tap on the post and then that's going to show you everyone that's been tagged in that specific photo or video. Then all you need to do is tap on your name and then you can select remove me from post. Now it says remove from your profile. So if I tap on it again, I'm tapping on it right now and you can see no names pop up, meaning that I just untagged myself. So I can go back, and if I go back to that page, let me just refresh this. If I go back to that page, you can see now all the tagged photos are gone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.